critically open this, and we ordered the majority of machinery from the development. And they took around like 2 to 3 months. They arrive here, and they do taking services over phone. And they just simply solve the problem, and they send the engineer Abel here. They help us to set up this and also to solve the problem. All machines are like so far working nice. That service is working good, and they're solving our problems very fast and the proper way. I appreciate them. I'm really happy with my solution. So it's much more cost effective to order from them than when it's pretty good. They have like almost 1,000 square feet, and all machines we build it from the development.